Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be cleaning the lower level. I think a couple of days ago I shared upstairs. Now I'm doing downstairs. Keep in mind this is the old flooring. I have not started the flooring downstairs just yet, so just in case if you guys are wondering, my goal is to clean off the counters, do a little bit of sweeping, some light wiping down, of course some disinfecting and things of that nature, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started. I belong to you. One of the best things that happened in 2019 was my collaboration with HART tools, which is solely sold at Walmart. I have been loving my screwdrivers, my drill, and all of the tools that I received from that collaboration. I went to Walmart and I got some more HART products, which was really good. I do apologize for all the dancing. I'm trying out this new thing, you guys. You might want to try it because I definitely worked up a sweat, which is cleaning and dancing and like running up and down the stairs just to kind of keep myself active, especially because, you know, we're going to be quarantined soon. And once you're in the house, you can find different ways just to kind of stay active. We'll see what happens at the end of 2 weeks if I gained or lost any weight. Again, I did work up a sweat. I think I did lose some weight, but we'll see what happens. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. So now what I'm doing is bringing out my Clorox wipes for me to clean the countertops. But before I clean it, I just went over the counter with some warm water. If you guys are interested in disinfecting and cleaning your home, I will say any sort of Lysol or even the Clorox wipes, when you wipe down your door handles and your faucets or anything like that, you want to allow it to dry in order for it to actually disinfect. That is the only tip that I'm giving. I'm sure you guys know the week prior I had at least 10 different people in the house working. So today I'm just really focusing on cleaning. At this point, the news is talking about the virus a whole lot, and I know that I'm going to have to stop allowing people to kind of come inside the house and stuff. So pretty much I'm just kind of shutting the house down, getting ready to pretty much quarantine. I'm sure by now you guys know a lot of the videos that I've been posting, they were pre-recording. Soon they will be kind of up to date, real time, so that way you guys can see it. But pretty much I'm wiping down the countertops. I went around and wiped all the doors upstairs and downstairs. I didn't show all of that because it was just entirely too much work. Sweep, I wiped the windows, wiped the doors in the front and the back, pretty much wherever the guys were in the house. I just made sure to get those spots and clean everything. And I believe there's about one more video coming out, which is going to be the fireplace reface. And after that project, I haven't had anyone else come to the house to do anything, so all work has been put to a halt up until, you know, the quarantine is pretty much over. But that's that. What I'm doing now is putting the remainder of my HART tools away. And like I said, I went to Walmart and I got this bag, you guys. It's absolutely amazing. I'll talk to you guys about it a little bit more. Today's video is not sponsored at all. I just really love it. I wanted to have all of my tools in one specific place, and I didn't want to go and get like this big, you know, hunk of storage unit for it. So the bag is really good. It fit my drill, it fit all of my screws, and it also fit all of my drivers. So I really like the bag, and it's a hard bottom, which was really great. Moving right along, I took a lot of the things out of my car out. So what I'm doing is taking them and I'm going to be bringing them in my closet. I'm also going to be putting my workup. you guys, remember this part of the video. As you can see, I have 2 totes, and then I have a poster board with also a plan for a client. Remember this part of the video because I bought a bag and I want to share it with y'all, but I'm just a little scared because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. But just remember this part of the video so that way y'all have a point of reference when I talk about this bag and how I use everything.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
As of right now, I still don't have a recycling or a trash bin. I had no idea I had to call for it. I thought the minute I turned on my water, they would just bring it to me. And then I found out by one of my neighbors, I actually have to call to get it. So I finally called and I think I should have it in a couple of days. They said up to 7 days. So I don't have it yet. So pretty much what I've been doing is recycling some of my boxes. There's a shelter that reuses the boxes. So I was able to take some of the boxes there, and then some of the bigger boxes, I'm basically using them to try to keep the garage as clean as possible. So I have to condense down everything. Once I get my trash bins, I'll be able to have trash come pick up. But I believe the trash has been over at least 2 to 3 times, and I've missed it because I don't have a trash bin.
When I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Alright you guys, most of the cleaning is done. I'm not gonna mop. I am loving my little bucket bag from Home Depot. It is absolutely amazing. I said I was gonna link it in the last video and I did, and I forgot. I will be linking it in this video because it's easy, it's lightweight, and I can pick it up with ease. If you guys were interested, here is a closer look at my bag. So I have my drill, my measuring tape, and also hand tools. I really love the bag, and I still have so much room to add more items. I wanted to give you guys a brief update. Here is the stairs. The cove still has to get put up here, but again, everything is put on hold right now. And then here is the front entry. I did show you guys the paint, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the wall because now you can see what I was envisioning for the space, which is pretty much that this front door also get some level of detail, which is why it was so important for me to have these match to a T. Now it can be different in your home, it all depends, but because the front door was just so regular, I really wanted to do something with that area. So I'm really loving it. And then you're seeing the paint color, no questions. I really don't know if this is going to be like the indefinite color. I was just trying something out. This right here isn't nailed. Oh, sorry. This piece here isn't nailed. If I take something, it'll come right out. Whenever we're done with this whole quarantine thing, my electrician has to take it and bring it up, and then this is going to be nailed in. But right now it's not nailed in, it's just positioned in the wall, and everything else is just positioned in the wall. And again, as soon as my electrician comes, and as soon as my electrician comes, we're gonna go ahead and get that done right there. So that's good. Here is the view. Here's the view. Oh, here's a view from my office. And the only difference is the box up here is smaller than this one here. But I really do love it. It still looks really great. If you were wondering, the line right here is where it was before. So it went up substantially a good bit. Definitely went up a good bit. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. Nothing that I'm about to share with you guys is tangible things. I'm just telling you now because right now, main objective is to be safe. But y'all told me y'all want me to put out content while we're doing this. So here I is. All right. I have mopped the floors twice, but it's still really dusty. I have mopped the floors twice, but it's still really dusty. I'm gonna have to go in and mop them again. It's gonna be a process to get this done. I just ordered the floor cleaner, so that's good. And then this room here looks really good. Really good. And I think the rooms look good simply because it wasn't like the middle ground. The loft space is taking a little bit longer to get clean just because there was a lot of work getting done and passageway also. For those of you guys asking about the master, I have the cardboards under the bed so that way the floor doesn't get scratched. I have the cardboard under the chair so that doesn't get scratched. I have a few decorative pieces, and then I have a few decorative pieces and the wall which got done, which I really love. It's gonna be like this for a little bit just because I really don't want anyone coming inside the house. They're not really supposed to anyway, so I can't really get anything shipped. I really don't want to order anything because anything that I'm gonna order online is going to need white glove to get it in the house. I'm not moving any furniture. So basically, let me see. Right now, I kind of have the bed centered to the 3. So if it gives you any idea and what the bed is gonna look like, I'm so excited. The light fixture is gonna be changed, but you guys, oh, it just looks so good. I think that is pretty much it for the trim work going into the house. I thought about doing something in the boys' room, but I haven't figured it out just yet. And then I'm thinking about doing something small in the laundry room, but I haven't figured that out yet either. This is the flooring in the closet, and again, you can see they look really good. It's just that the loft, because again, they're going from the loft to all the bedrooms, the loft to the laundry room, so I think that's what it was. And then I hung up some more clothes in here and stuff like that. Let me just say, these things are like so tangible right now. The importance is like being around family or whatever. But if you guys are interested in doing like, I really can't do like an updated bag haul because all my bags aren't here, but I could do like something, you know, if you guys just want to pass the time. And then I'll try to do some cook with me's also if you guys are interested. But anyway, as for most part, nothing has really changed. I think I showed you guys this closet here. And to be honest with you, update on my closet. My guy is not answering the phone. This was before the quarantine happened. He's not answering. I don't know if I'm going to get it sprayed white. So if push comes to shove, the closet's probably going to have to go into the master, and I'm not going to do anything with that room. I might turn into something else. I don't know. Maybe put my office in there. I don't know. But for the most part, this is where my stuff is at. And I'm not hating it. It's fine with me that it's there. It's not really a bother. If anything, I have the shoe rack here so all my shoes can line up. But I hope that's not the case, because I would like to have my room back. But if not, I'm not going to die. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Look at this. The chair looks so good. I've been debating on whether I should do one or get a second one to put over there, because there's quite a bit of room. There's about 80 inches on this side and then another 80 inch on that side. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, but I have more than enough time to figure that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and go, you guys. Hope you're having a good one. And I don't know if you guys heard in the other video, I've settled on doing 5-inch trim for the base to go down, but looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, one more thing. I know I'm talking a lot, but I want to show you guys something, because I was in the bed, right, laying down last night. It feels so good to sleep here because the view is absolutely amazing. At night, it just feels like a little getaway, and the water is, I don't know, it feels like doesn't feel like you're home. It feels like a vacation spot. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys that, because the bed is actually going to be higher. Right now it's just a box spring and that, but it feels good just to lay in the bed and see that. Anyway, you guys, have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.